Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Range Rover Evoque. Okay, so from any screen, we basically want to be going on settings on your phone, Bluetooth, we're watching out at the bottom for Bluetooth, over to the system, please connect phone. Now, it doesn't matter what screen it's on. If you go back to home menu, please connect phone, search for new. It's looking for a new phone. I'm going to do device to vehicle. So we'll wait for it to come up here. It's looking for it. My phone is looking for this system. When it's found it, it will come up here. Range Rover Evoque, Range Rover Evoque. So I'll click on there. It will probably ask me to put a PIN number in. Yes, no, 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 no. That's any PIN number of your choice, so long as you can remember it. And now, Barry's iPhone 15 Pro is trying to pair. Do you want to add this device? Yes. So now I have to put the same PIN code in as I put in before. Click OK, phone paired. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. That's it. It's where is it? Range Rover Evoque. Oh no, that's another one not connected. Where's this one? I've got too many on my Range Rover Evoque connected. There you go.